Recently I posted this photo on my Instagram, and many of you, surf thus Behenshow, asked for a editing tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. Also there's a free preset link to this video, but you'll have to watch the full video as the password will randomly appear in the right corner. Watch time Shahi IBC. Here's the original image. Shout out to my boy Shreyash. We will start by making these adjustments in the light section. Yes, I will not speak every value, as many of you are here for the preset. Lol. Add this values to the colors section. For red, set the saturation to -20. For orange, set the hue to -10, saturation to -20, and luminance to +15. For yellow, set the hue to -80, and the saturation to -50. Green key saturation sit to -80 per layer. For blue, set the hue to -30, and saturation to -70. Set this adjustment to the Effects tab. I hey badal kaya lag ray hey. And put this values for split tones. Now go to the curves panel, and try to copy the curves I've provided, or else just download the preset. So that is it for today guys. Hope you found that useful, and I would love to see your shots. Tag me on Instagram. And also a big thanks for 150 subscribers. We'll change something soon. Till then, get subscribed, hit the bell and peace out.